fun with Kitty and Lou.
Lou! Where are you? Hi, guys.
G'day, Kitty.
Hi, Kitty. Oh, my giggly aunt. You're funny, sorry. Come back.
Chase me, Lou, come on. You can't get me, you can't get me.
Oh, kia ora, Kitty.
Hi.
What you doing?
Nothing much.
You want to play with Dalvanius?
Who's he?
A friend of mine.
Where is he?
Oh, he's right here.
Huh?
He's shy, but he really wants to play with you.
Panya,
Yeah?
I didn't know you had an imaginary friend.
I don't.
Oh. Right, yeah. Can I maybe meet him later?
Okay. Goodbye.
La la la. Oh, why bother? I don't even feel like singing today. La 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 la. Nope. I'm not gonna sing. I'm not in the mood. This is a lonely song, a song that has no friends. No one will hear the song, no one will care when it ends. No friends to play with, no one to spend the day with. This is a lonely song, a song all by itself.
Ooh, cheer up, Kitty. We're here.
I'm alone, so very alone, singing a lonely song.
No, you're not. We're here. Hi, Kitty.
No one cares.
We do, we really do.
This is a lonely song with a sad and lonely tune.
It's not so bad, I really like it. So do I. Oh, Kitty, please don't be sad. You have so many friends like us, for example.
Hey, this is a solo number,
But
okay?
you don't have to be lonely. We're here. Ah. Take it easy. I think she needs some space.
Maybe I need an imaginary friend. What would that be like? Ah! Oh, stop! That tickles! Wow. My imagination is amazing. That felt totally real. What the
Kitty! Is that you?
No, tickles.
Who are you playing with?
Nobody.
I heard you playing with someone.
No.
Okay, well, Sorry and I were wondering if you wants to play with us, but I guess you're busy.